Having worked with a previous decorator before on other parts of my house and not having such a great experience, I was very leery about going forward with another decorator. But after meeting Verday Designs and working with Cossette, I immediately became very comfortable right from the beginning. Her design plans were exactly what I was looking for. She itemized things out for me, explained every detail of the project, even worked with me on items of my own that I had that were family heirlooms and special mementos to me that I wanted to keep within my home, and she incorporated them in the design and in the project going forward. Everything was done with ease. I felt very relaxed and comfortable. There weren't any moments of stress like I had before. And it really felt like family. I felt like working with Cossette was bringing somebody into my family that was helping me create my beautiful home going forward.